Hi friends, welcome to my channel Started Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is pump.fun coin or pump coin. In this video I'll be talking about technical analysis as well as I'll be talking about different support resistance levels. So watch the video completely without skipping or else you will miss important points. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So you can see channels are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. So initially started from support, went to resistance, and then continuously the fall is happening. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, so you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. So previously you can see candles went up to the resistance level. So you can see the uptrend was going on and then you can see the downtrend is going on. So this is support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall may take place. Once the breakout happens, then candles may move to the resistance level, which is around 0.0019864, and then fall may take place. So like this it may move, and then finally if the breakout happens, then candles will start moving in a upward direction. So this resistance is around 0.0042640 42635. Okay, so candles may go to the resistance level and then fall may take place. So continuously the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. So previously you can see candles were moving in an upward direction. Okay, so like this it was moving and then breakout happened, then candles started falling continuously. Okay, it is falling, and once the breakout happens it may move up. Okay, so you can see RSI is also confirming that the reversal has taken place after this uptrend. Now the downtrend is started, so candles may fall in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so by drawing trend lines you know support resistance levels easily. Okay, so now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is 65 like $0.002070. It is down by 6% and rank is around 65. Around 72k users are following this cryptocurrency. The market cap is $732 million and the volume 24 hours is $121 million and the total supply is 1 trillion and circulating supply is 3,548 for 354 billion pump coin. Okay, and you can see maximum supply is 1T and then holder is 117.45k holders for this cryptocurrency. So now we'll go to the chart and always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. Okay, suppose you can see the candles are falling and then after breakout the candles are moving up, so always have a stop loss. Okay, so to prevent any major losses, that is very important. Okay, so you can see since the fall is happening, RSI is also kind of falling. When the reversal takes place, then you may see RSI is also moving in an upward direction. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take a decision. Thank you.